Here at the ranch, we're making some homemade breakfast. This is Polish bacon imported directly from Poland. Really good stuff. So here we are making some bacon. Here we are making some eggs. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice smelling Polish bacon. Like I said, it's imported from Poland. It goes to our local Polish deli. This is my omelet pan. I like making bacon in here too. I have a pan for all kinds of things. I have omelet pan. This is my egg pan. Also making fried bologna and cheese in here too. This helps the bacon cook evenly. So that's looking really good, smelling really good. And what I do is I take my plate here, put some paper towel on there so it soaks up the grease. Just like that. Helps soak up the grease and drain some of the grease. It's looking really good. And there we go. Whole bunch of bacon.